मंडेन जैसे लग गए। उधार जैसे गृह आदि दिखाई पड़ेगा, है? लोग आदि जैसे थे, गाय आदि बछड़े आदि जैसे हैं। उसी प्रकार अपराकृत चित्त जगत में वो समस्त दिखाई पड़ता है, क्योंकि अपराकृत चित्त जगत की विकृत प्रतिफलन जो है ये जड़ जगत है। क्या बोला? अपराकृत चित्त जगत की विकृत प्रतिफलन इस जड़ जगत है। इसलिए इस जड़ जगत में, प्राकृतिक जगत में हम जो कुछ भी देख
So whatever we are seeing in this material world,
जगत में वो समस्त ही
so that's all
शुद्ध रूप में विराजमान,
that all manifest in the transcendental world in a pure form.
इसलिए इस जगत में जो कुछ आप देख
So
रहे
that's why whatever you are seeing in this world,
इस जगत में वो सब
so everything is available there,
वो कैसे है?
but that is pure.
शुद्ध रूप में,
It is in a pure form.
क्योंकि वह पर शुद्ध सत्य के ऊपर ही सब है निर्भर करता है।
Because everything is there, upon to the purity. So that's why the Bhagwan,
जब नित्य गोलोक वृंदावन धाम से,
when he descended from the Nitya Golok Dham Vrindavan, and he appeared in this form, Mohan Dham, and performed his Leela
अपने मनुष्य के भांति लीला आदि करता
and behaved like a human being.
जैसे इधर के जैसे एक
Just like
गोप बालक,
just like here, a normal Gopalak, they used to put on the clothes.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
In the same way, Krishna,
मनुष्य के जरिए मर्त्य लोक के उपयोगी वो समस्त स्वरूप को जो है प्रकाश करता है।
so he manifested the human form, the general forms of the human.
और सबके जो है आश्रित कर चमत्कृत करा,
And he astonished everybody, shocked to everybody.
और कैसे प्रकट करते हैं?
And how he manifested his Leela in this world.
अपने चित्त शक्ति के द्वारा,
So by his Chit Shakti, by his transcendental Chit Shakti, he appeared or performed many kinds of Leela.
और जितने रिद्धि
and whatever kinds of riddhi, viddhi, siddhi, anima, lagima, the many kinds of siddhis, navnidhi, ashtasiddhi, nine nidhi and ashtasiddhi, these all take the shelter of the Bhagwan and do Dandavat Pranam and do Astavastiti.
और भगवान की उस समस्त सेवा आदि करने के लिए ललायित रहे।
And they were so much greedy or excited to serve Bhagwan.
मर्त्य लीला उपयोगी अत्यंत मनोहर विग्रह के भगवान श्री कृष्ण अपनी चित्त शक्ति के प्रभाव के द्वारा इस जगत में प्रकट करते हैं। इस विग्रह का अनुपम सौंदर्य स्वयं कृष्ण की भी विस्मित करा देते हैं। अर्थात स्वयं कृष्ण
So the Krishna himself, seeing his vigraha and seeing his form, he is so much shocked that how I have a beautiful form. How beautiful form I have, just like I am seeing you. But I cannot see myself fully, completely. This is the difference. I can see you fully. You can see me. But I cannot see my whole body. Just I cannot see my nose. I cannot see my ear. I cannot see my eyes. I cannot see my forehead. Yes, it is true or not? Yes. Bhagwan, that's why he's saying, so seeing his vigraha, he was so much shocked. Even when he saw his shadow, so he was so much shocked by seeing just shadow. So how beautiful form I have. So Krishna has a beautiful form that seeing his own form, he was so much shocked. Sri Krishna have many kinds of leelas and many kinds of incarnations.
संग स्वरूप पुरुष अवतार गुणावतार अभिषेकार स्वयं रूप में
So in this Swayam Roop,
गोकुल के कृष्ण का वेणुधारी
so he has a form of Gokul Natvar Vesh, the Gopa Vesh.
मनोहारी यहाँ पर
So Bhaktivinoda Thakur is describing here,
यद्यपि
even
कृष्ण के
Krishna has so many,
अवतार आदि जो है
he has so many incarnations. The same Krishna,
है वासुदेव के रूप में
he
वासुदेव संकर्षण के रूप में
he
कहाँ पर
is
विराजमान है
Dwarka.
द्वारका
He is manifested himself into the Dwarka in the Vasudeva Sankarshan form, which is called the Chaturvyu.
संकर्षण और
Aniruddha Pradyumna.
वासुदेव संकर्षण
Aniruddha Pradyumna.
अनुरुद्ध प्रद्युम्न
This is called the Chaturvyu.
उनके विलास मूर्ति जो है
His Vilas Murti in this Vaikunt in the form of Nayara, which is called the Purushavatar, Karunadakshayi, Garbhodakshai, Chirodakshai,
हिरदुक्षाई विष्णु गुना अवतार
and his Gunavatar Brahma Vishnu Mahesh,
है और आवेश
and the Aveshavatar.
है प्रकाश होते हैं
So he has manifested in many forms.
किंतु स्वयं रूप गोकुल
But
में
Swayam Roop,
वेणुधारी नवकिशोर नटवर है
but he is in the Golok Vrindavan. He has Venuvar Natavardhari
वहाँ पर
Roop,
जो भगवान जो प्रकट
because
हुए, द्विभुज मूर्ति
there he is manifested himself, or his Swayam Roop is Dvibhuj Murlidhar.
गोकुल और गोकुल छोड़ करके
So leaving Gokul
बाकी सर्वत्र जो है
or everywhere,
कृष्ण जो है
Krishna,
चतुर्भुज रूप में
he has manifested himself in the four arms form.
चतुर्भुज रूप में शंख चक्र गदा पद्म
He has taken Shankar Chakra Pada Gada Padma. So he has manifested himself in that form. And but in Dwarika and Mathura, Krishna,
ये विशेष वैशिष्ट्य
this is a speciality
द्वारका में कृष्ण अधिक
in the Dwarika Krishna. In the Dwarika, most of the time, Krishna has manifested himself in the four arms form. And in the Mathura, he has manifested himself in the two arms forms, sometimes four arms forms. But in the Dwarika, Krishna, but in the Dwarka, he has manifested himself in the four arms form.
इसलिए वो तो पुंडरीक जो पुंडरीक वासुदेव ना वासुदेव
So that's why the Pundrik Vasudev,
वो पुंडरीक वासुदेव कहते हैं तुम कैसे भगवान कैसे बने
so he used to say that how you can be Bhagwan because I have the four arm forms.
इसलिए वो क्या करते थे
So what he used to do, so sometimes like Krishna, he used to take four arm forms.
वो लकड़ी के दो हाथ
So he
बना करके
puts two wood arms and manifest Pundrik Vasudev,
जिसके सियाल वासुदेव कहा
which is called the Sial Vasudev, Pundrik Vasudev.
अपने के भगवान
So he said himself that I am the Bhagwan. He was preaching everywhere that I am the Bhagwan. So he was taking the, challenge like Pundrik Vasudev.
किंतु कृष्ण इसलिए कह रहे हैं
So that's why it is saying here.
और गोकुल में कृष्ण का जो वेणुधारी नवग्रह नटवर गोपवेश विग्रही सर्वोत्तम मनोहारी.
So the Dvish Muralidhar in the Golok Vrindavan, the topmost form, the attracting form of Krishna, it is in Golok Vrindavan. Dvish Muralidhar. Because so it is described by the three Dham of Bhagwan. One is Vrindavan, Mathura, Dwarika. Purna, Purnatar or Purnatam. Dwarika is called Purna, the complete. Mathura is called Purnatar. And the Vrindavan is called Purnatam, the topmost. So what's the meaning to say? Everything is dependent on Aishwarya and Madhurya. In the Dwarika, there is too much Aishwarya and Madhurya is very less. In the Mathura, Aishwarya and Madhurya, so come Aishwarya. So in the Mathura, there is a less Aishwarya in Mathura, and Mathura is more glorified there. And in the Vrindavan, fully Madhurya is glorifying there.
भगवत्ता तो है, किंतु
There
उस
is a
भगवत्ता
Bhagavatta,
व ऐश्वर्य है
but
माधुर्य के द्वारा
Aishwarya is
क्या
very
होता है,
less. It is
शिमंडित हो जाता है,
covered by that Aishwarya is covered by the Madhurya in the Golok Vrindavan.
इसलिए
That's why here it is saying Bhaktivinoda Thakur
रूप को लेकर ये अपने योग माया के द्वारा अत्यंत गोपनीय रत्न नित्य गोलोक वृंदावन की लीला सहित इस धराधाम में प्रकट होते हैं अपने परिवार के साथ.
So by his parikar, as within his associates, he descend himself in this bomb, in this land.
वो भी हर समय नहीं आते.
It is not all every time. In Brahma's one day.
One day of Brahma.
So he used to come at the Brahma's one day.
अवतीर्ण ब्रह्मा की एक दिन में, अर्थात
it means
1000
Chaturayuga, 1000 Chaturayugas. After when 1000 Chaturayugas spans, so then Krishna himself at the last of Dwapar, he Krishna appeared this all kinds of Leela in this Dharadham, in this Bhumi. And in the same way Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, so when the Krishna Leela disappeared, when the Dwapar Yuga is completed, so in the starting of Kali Yuga, the same Krishna, so he appeared in this land in the form of Gauranga. So it is Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying. So that's why it is saying
चमत्कार के संग कृष्ण को विस्मित करके अपनी मधुरिमा आस्वादन करने के लिए भी विवश करते हैं. इसलिए लिखा गया.
So it has been seen in the Chaitanya Charitamrita.
माधुरी देखी वासुदेव को.
So in the Dwarika, the Vasudeva I told you, Vasudev Krishna. So seeing his Vigrah himself, he was so much astonished that how beautiful form I have. So in this context, in the Lalit Madhav Grantha, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad is describing there. Maybe you have know about that. That Krishna. So how he has got married with Satyabhama. When Krishna got married with Satyabhama, at that time Satyabhama's father Satrajit. So he has given two very mysterious things in the form of light. Dowry. Dahej. So in the form of dowry, he has given two very mysterious things. So it was not told to Krishna. Satyabhama was not told to Krishna that my father has given me these two things. So Krishna was not aware about this. So what that was? One is so one the Vigrah of Vrindavan Krishna. So Satyabhama was worshipping to Suryadev, and the Suryadev, when he got pleased, so Devta's architect Vishwakarma. So he told to Vishwakarma, and Vishwakarma what he did, so he has made a Vigrah of Vrindavan Krishna, Dvij Murlidhar. So that Vigrah was given to Suryadev, and Suryadev gave to Satyabhama. Yes, Satrajit. So he has given to Satrajit, and Satrajit gave to Satyabhama. The beautiful Vigrah that was Trivanga Lalit, three-banded form. And the second thing is, there was at that place he made a Nav Vrindavan. That Nav Vrindavan in the Dwarika, they have made a Nav Vrindavan, but that was secret. It was not told to everyone. So one day Krishna with Shridam, he was visiting to the Dwarika, and he entered into the Navavrindavan. So there is a huge place, but that Navavrindavan was looking like artificial. So the Vrindavan glorification is described in the Shastras. So what that Vrindavan was like artificial, just like the Yamuna is flowing. Have you heard? Maybe just like Maidana, Indraprasth. So there was a place of Khandaprasth, which is called Indraprasth. So there was a village kingdom was established. And seeing that, Duryodhan was so much astonished, but there was no water, so he was thinking there is a water. So he was raising his cloths and going there. And where this water, so Duryodhan was thinking this is dry, so he fall down in that pond. Even when Duryodhan was walking, so he was seeing it was looking like this is a wall, but that was not a wall. So Duryodhan was so much afraid that is a wall, and he stopped himself. And where there was a wall, so Duryodhan was thinking this is a khai, this is a hole. So by the Maidana, there is a beautiful Indraprasth. Indraprasth was manifested in the same way by the Vishwakarma. So this beautiful artificial Navavrindavan was made. So in that Navavrindavan, seeing that very far from so far, so Krishna was so much shocked. When Krishna with the Madhumangal, yes, Madhumangal, when Krishna entered with the Madhumangal, so Krishna was so much shocked. Who Krishna? Dwarka Krishna, Vasudev Krishna. And he was remembering the pastimes of Vrindavan, how beautiful is Yamuna, Vrindavan's Kunja, all kinds of that. Vrindavan's pastimes was manifested in her heart. And at that time, Krishna, seeing that Vrindavan, he was got fainted. It was artificial, but still Krishna seeing that it is true, and he got fainted. Just like the koyal is cuckooing, Mayur and Mayur, the peacock and peahennas dancing there. So everything was very artificial, what is was looking true, beautiful thing, everything was beautiful there. So all the birds and the animals are looking live there, all the cow and calves, it was everything was like Vrindavan there. And seeing that, and he was so much shocked, how beautiful Vrindavan is that. So he was remembering his Nitya Dham, and Krishna got fainted. Then Madhumangal, what he did, so he put some water in his mouth, and after some time Krishna got his consciousness. And then seeing that, what happened, Krishna go forward, and what is so, and there is a place, there's a beautiful three-banded form of Vigraha was there in Dvibhuj Muralidhar form. So he saw his Vrindavan Swarup. So seeing that Vigraha, Krishna himself was so much astonished. Oh, this is my beautiful form. How beautiful form I have. So at that time, after some time, what he saw, so somebody used to worship every day of that Vigraha, because there was a flower, the chandan is there,
पूजा के जितने
every kinds of ingredients are there, many kinds of ingredient of worshipping the deities was there everywhere. So he was thinking that somebody is worshipping this deity. So he had a doubt in his mind, so who is worshipping this Vigra? Because this is Dwarikapuri. So everybody is in Dwarikapuri, so much opulence, and drawing himself in the opulence or Aishwarya. And then, so who can worship the Vrindavan Krishna here? So at that time, Krishna was thinking what to do now. So hey Madhumangal, how we can know that who is worshipping this Vigra? So who is worshipping this Dvibhaj Murlidhar Shyam Sundar? Then Madhumangal said, no problem. Tomorrow early morning we will come here and hide ourselves, and we will see who is going to worship here. So at next day, Krishna and Madhumangal, they went to that places, and he hid themselves in a place. So what he saw at that place, Satyabhama with her Sakhi Navavrinda was entering there with all the ingredients of the worshipping. And she was carrying that and worshipping and doing archaning there, as we used to do the archan of Thakurji here. So in the same way, Satyabhama was doing with all the ingredients. Sodash Prachar? No. 16 types of ingredients. Sodash Prachar. So by the Sodash Prachar or 16 kind of ingredients, Satyabhama did the archan of Thakurji. Dhoop Deep, garlands, flowers, and the chandan, and many things she was carrying with her. And after that, Satyabhama doing the Istavituti, and she went away. And with the Navrinda, she went away. Krishna and Madhumangal then they went away too, because the Vigra of Thakurji was there. Krishna came into his house, and Krishna was not revealing these things, that I have seen everything, and Satyabhama was not told anything. And then next day and the third day, Krishna and Madhumangal came early in the morning. Now look, we can do one thing here. So Krishna said that there is a flute is there, because that Vigra has a flute. So Madhumangal said, you should stand here yourself, and that Vigra was they kept the Vigra aside. So Krishna was himself stand there. So he stand there like a three-banded form with the flute, just like Krishna has the Trivangan form. So the Braj form, he has the curly hair, beautiful eyes, and the upper lips just like a pink bimba phal. So in the same way, Krishna was stand there. Satyabhama was not aware with that it is not the Vigra, Krishna himself, and Madhumangal was stand himself aside. So every day Satyabhama used to come and do the archan of the Vigra. So in the same way, she came to with Navrinda, and she was Pushpa and doing the chandan, putting chandan. But Satyabhama has so much eagerness in her mind, so much stimulation is manifest in the heart of Satyabhama that today Vigra is looking different today. What is that? Every day I used to worship that Vigra. Satyabhama was saying herself. But Vigra,
पलक नहीं पड़ते हैं, पलक होते हैं ना
eyelids. So
eyelid,
Vigra doesn't up down or
आज
close their
ऐसा बात है
eyelids. But
कभी
today,
कभी विग्रह के जो है
sometimes
वो
I was
क्या हो रहा
seeing
है,
that Vigra's eyelid is going up down.
अप डाउन हो रहा है, ये देखो।
So
और दूसरी तो आज विग्रह के
and the second, the upper lips of
कंपित हो रहा है,
upper
कंपन
lips
होता है
of that Vigra is it's
हैं?
trembling. It's trembling.
है
Uh,
ऐसे
trembling.
है। सत्यभामा विचार
So
करने
Satyam
लगी
was thinking,
कि साक्षात
he
है
is
कृष्ण हमारे ऊपर कृपा करे।
Krishna has bestowed his mercy upon us.
ये विग्रह नहीं है,
He,
साक्षात कृष्ण
it is not the Vigra, it is Krishna himself. So she was
आज
thinking
कृष्ण
this in
हमारे ऊपर
mind
कितने प्रसन्न हैं।
that Krishna is so much pleased with us today.
ऐसे विग्रह आदि
So seeing
जब
that Vigra,
सेवा आदि हुई,
so when she served this Vigra, after that
सत्यभामा हाथ जोड़ करके
Satyabhama
जब
folded her
स्तुति
hand
आदि
as
करने
she used to do the stuti.
लगी,
She did the same.
वृंदावन कृष्ण की स्तुति आदि
So
करने
she
लगी,
did the stuti of Vrindavan Krishna. After
है।
that,
आज कृष्ण
and Krishna
है बोलना शुरू कर दिया
and he started speaking.
है। जब विग्रह जब बोलना शुरू कर
When
दिया,
Vigra started,
कृष्ण है
when
ना,
the Krishna, because he is Krishna himself,
सत्यभामा
so he
हंस रही है।
started speaking. Satyama was shocked.
सत्यभामा सोच रहे हैं कि
Satyam was
आज
thinking
विग्रह
that
में आशीर्वाद
Krishna is giving blessing to us today.
है। कृष्ण कहने लगे,
Krishna is
विग्रह
saying, the
कहने
Vigra
लगे,
is saying,
ये सत्यभामा
Hey Satyabhama,
तुम्हारे सेवा में प्रसन्न हो गया,
I am so much pleased by your
है।
serving.
तुम कुछ वर मांगो।
So now you can ask any benediction.
जब उसने सत्यभामा परख करके देखा,
So,
विग्रह नहीं है,
so
साक्षात कौन है,
Satyabhama saw that this is not the Vigra, this is Krishna himself.
है। सारे पोल खोल गया कि नहीं,
So all the mystery was revealed.
है। और सीक्रेट क्या हो गया,
Secret of been revealed.
तो उस समय
So at that time,
कृष्ण कहने लगे,
Krishna was saying,
हे सत्यभामा,
Hey Satyabhami,
है, तो
listen,
मैं ही वैनंदन
I am the Brijendandan Shyam Sundar.
जो मैं विग्रह के प्रकाश में जो तृप्ति की।
So the Vigra you have got, it is I am the
तो
same
कृष्ण
one.
कहते, यदि आप ही स्वयं भगवान हो,
So
अब मैं स्वयं कृष्ण हूँ, तो मैं कौन हूँ? तो कृष्ण कहेंगे सत्यभामा, एक्चुअली तुम सत्यभामा नहीं हो, तुम राधा हो।
So Satyabhama was saying, if you are the Krishna, then who am I? So the Krishna is saying that you are not Satyabhama, you are the Radha yourself.
तो उसे सारी कथा को सुनाया।
So he described
जैसे
all the
कृष्ण,
katha just like that Krishna,
जब
when Krishna,
वृंदावन से मथुरा चले गए,
when he
श्रीमती
came
राधिका
from
कृष्ण
Mathura,
विवाह में
Vrindavan to Mathura, so in the separation of Krishna,
अत्यंत जो है दुखित होकर के
she was so much suffering,
अपने विशेष सखियों के साथ
and with her Sakhis,
विशाखी के साथ
Lalita Vishakha,
खिलन तीर्थ में गए,
so she went to
और
Khilan
खिलन
Tirth,
तीर्थ में
and the Khilan Tirth,
जाकर के
she went to the Khilan Tirth, and there
खिलन तीर्थ में जाकर के श्रीमती राधा ने
Shrimati
जमुना
Radhika,
के माध्यम से
so by the Yamuna,
सूर्य लोक में,
so she went to the Surya Lok.
ये समस्त सारी कथा
So this is all the story he told to Satyabhama. Actually, you are not the son Surya Putri, you are the Radha yourself. You are not the daughter of Surya.
यहाँ पर तुमने अपने
So
परिचय क्या दे रहे हो,
here you are
सत्यभामा।
describing yourself as Satyabhama.
तब उस समय
So at that time, Satyabhama was thinking that if I am
तो मेरा
Radha,
सखा चंद्रावली कहाँ
that
पर
where
है?
is my Sakhi Chandravali?
तब कृष्ण कहने लगे,
Then
कोई
Krishna
यहाँ
is
पर भी
saying,
चंद्रावली भी है,
Chandra is also
किस रूप में?
Chandravali is also there in the form of
रुक्मिणी के।
Rukmani.
तो कहने लगे और मेरा सखियाँ कहाँ हैं?
And she was asking that many other, where are all my Sakhis, Lalita and
तब
Vishakhas and
कहने
all.
लगे देखो
So then
कालिंदी है,
he was
नवरंग, ये
saying that
सारे
the Kalindri, Navrinda, these all Sakhis are here also.
ऐसा है। तब श्रीमती तब उस समय
So at that
सत्यभामा
time,
कहने लगी, यदि
Satyama
हमारे
was
पर आप
saying,
प्रसन्न हो,
if you are pleased upon
यदि
me,
आप वही ब्रजनंदन सिंह,
if you are the same Vrijendran and Shyam Sundar,
तो मेरा एक प्रार्थना
and
आपसे
I'm the
निकट है,
Radha, so I have a prayer before
आप
you.
मुझे
You,
इस स्थान से दारकपुरी से मुझे
so
वृंदावन
from this place, from Dargapuri, you can
इस कथा प्रसंग
carry to me in Vrindavan.
क्योंकि वृंदावन जो है
Because
हमारे
Vrindavan
स्वरूप है।
is our Swarup. Dear Krishna Prabhu saying,
वृंदावन जो है
Vrindavan,
वो है वृंदावन से जो क्या बताया
मतलब सत्यवान वृंदावन.
तो उसी कथा प्रसंग आ गया.
So that same katha,
भागवत में कुरुक्षेत्र से.
so the same katha is described in the Bhagavatam when Krishna was going from Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. That is the katha. So he was telling the same context. Sukdev Goswami Path, he was describing the same katha from Kurukshetra to Vrindavan.
तो कृष्ण की कहने की कृष्ण इसलिए कह रहे हैं जो वासुदेव को ये कृष्ण की इतने सुंदर रूप जो है.
So Krishna has a beautiful form. The seeing that form,
वासुदेव कृष्ण
so the Vasudev Krishna himself, Dwarkadhish Krishna himself, he get greed.
माधुरी देखी वासुदेव को और कृष्ण की यही नित्य स्वरूप को देख करके,
and seeing that Krishna's that nitya form, the eternal form.
और स्वयं वासुदेव कृष्ण भी क्या
So
होता है,
Vasudev Krishna himself so much shocked. So in this shlok which is described, so the katha was describing
क्या वर्णन करें,
what he was saying, Vismapanam Janmataloki. So Bhusham Bhushanangam.
ये कृष्ण की अलंकार आदि है.
The Krishna's alankar, the ornaments are not, Krishna is not decorated by the alankar. So these alankar things, they are self-fortunate to be in the bodies of Krishna. Just like somebody put on alankars, ornaments in the way, so he looks beautiful. But when Bhagwan has a beautiful form, when alankars put on by the body of Krishna, so alankars himself, makes themselves beautiful.
चरम सीमा में विद्यमान है. वे ही श्री कृष्ण की माधुर्यता मंडित होकर एवं अपूर्व और लौकिकता रूप धारण करते हैं. साधारणतः अलंकार अंग की भूषण होते हैं, किंतु श्री कृष्ण के अंग धारण के अलंकार का सौंदर्य वर्धित करते हैं. कृष्ण की त्रिभंग ललित मुद्रा अंग की शोभा के अपूर्व माधुर्य का विस्तार करते हैं तथा सभी का चित्त आकर्षण करती है. उनकी तिर्यक अपांग दृष्टिकोण है.
So the romantic sidelong glance of Krishna,
राधा तथा अन्य ब्रजदेवी की मन को मोहित कर देते हैं. कृष्ण के इतने सुंदर.
So Krishna has a beautiful form which is described in the Vedas very nicely.
आकृष्ट हो उनकी पदनख ज्योति की परिचर्या करने की अभिलाषा करती है. कृष्ण के सुंदर जो रूप.
Krishna has a beautiful form.
ब्रज में श्री राधा तथा उनकी सखियां कृष्ण की पदनख कोटि प्राणों से चंद्रिका निर्मंचन करने पर भी मुखचंद्र को भी अपने हृदय केंद्र से सदा सर्वदा अधिष्ठित करती है. भगवान कृष्णचंद्र स्वरूपभूत चित्त शक्ति के प्रभाव से प्रापंचिक भूमो लीला में अपूर्व स्वरूप प्रकट करते हैं तथा अपने विलास विग्रह नारायण के भी विस्मय उत्पादन करा देते हैं. स्वयं कृष्ण भी अपने ही माधुर्य के आस्वादन के लिए उन्मत्त हो जाते हैं. कृष्ण के माधुर्य के उपजय लोभ उत्पन्न होता है. जिस कथा को जो है,
So the katha Uddhav
द्वारका में
in the Dwarika,
वो ब्राह्मण के जो मृतपुत्र के.
So Kada, you have heard about the when Krishna back,
महाकालपुरम.
so when Krishna went to the Mahakal Puram to carrying the Brahman sons, so the Mahakal Puram, Bhagwan who is establishing theirs, Narayana, Narayan,
नहीं, वो जो समस्त पृथ्वी के जो धारण करने वाले
Shesh. The Shesh Bhagwan, when he was so much greed to take the darshan of that Dwarkadish Krishna. चलो बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय।
उनको लेके गए थे, वो संदीपन में पुत्र नहीं थे, कोई और, ये दूसरी कथा है।
नहीं, जो कथा जो है द्वारकापुर में।
बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। जय जय श्री राधे। चाचा तो आए।
अच्छा,
वो जो कथा जो
कथा अब आप कथा समाप्त हो गई। और क्या
कल तो इस समय चालू
6:45 से 7:45 है।
नीचे शुरू हो जाएगा।
नीचे शुरू हो जाएगा ना।
कथा
कल तो इस समय चालू है। अरे काल की बात एक अलग समय की बात।
समय की बात है। समय का फेर भीलन की गोपियां वही अर्जुन है। चलो भैया, थैंक यू। हरे कृष्णा। ओके, गौर प्रेमानंदे। हरि हरि बोल।